It's 10 a.m. right now and I woke up at 9:30. Pretty late considering I've been waking up by like 8 these days. So I woke up to spoiled milk and I was just cleaning it all up, just did my dishes and all, and now I guess take a bath and get to work. By the way, I have a tailbone injury due to which I do not go out that much because I'm not allowed to sit at all. Not on a two-wheeler, not on a four-wheeler. If I want to go by four-wheeler, I have to like go in a sleeping position. So I got this checked on, I guess, 21 May, and it's 6 June. They said do not sit at all for 15-20 days, which obviously I did not following because it's not possible to not sit at all, especially when you have just shifted to a new apartment. It's unfurnished. You do not have any furniture except your mattress. So yeah, I do sit, but like try to put pressure on my hips rather than my tailbone. Like I sit thoda tilt hokar. So, and I did go out 3-4 times, but not that much and not far away. And yeah, so spend a day with me as a patient. Just look at the mess. We have not yet settled in. Yeah, it might take us some time. We still have all our things in that box. We need to organize it. As I said earlier कि जो दूध था वो ख़राब हो गया था because I forgot to boil it. ख़राब इतनी फट गया था. मैंने सोचा instead of just throwing it away like last time, it happened before also. It has happened before also. So it's like instead of throwing it away, let's try to make paneer out of it, and I did. So I'm trying to gather ingredients to make paneer bhurji, and I'm gonna eat it with bread, toast karke and all. So let's see. I'm making it for the first time, but it seems pretty easy. So let's see. We do not have a mirror, so this is the only time I get to see myself. Hi. So well, मुझे सारी important चीज़ें तो मिल गई, like tooth. Then I bought few masalas जो नहीं थे मेरे पास. Actually थे, but like I wanted these also. And coffee. 8 रुपए का प्याज. सिर्फ एक important चीज़ रह गई, that is bread. So I have the things to prepare the sabji, but I don't know what to eat it with. Like बाहर जो restaurant है वो शाम को खुलता है, so I cannot buy chapati or fulka or anything of that sort because वो बंद है. So I guess I'll have to order, but then पैसे एक्स्ट्रा जाएंगे because बाहर से भी लूँगी तो 10 रुपीज़ की एक चपाती मिल जाएगी, but ऑनलाइन well I don't think 100 से कम में मिलेगी. like एक चपाती नहीं, 2-3 भी 100 से कम नहीं मिलेगी. So yeah, very important decision in the making. So टमाटर नहीं डाले हैं because टमाटर नहीं थे, but I've tasted it and it tastes good, amazing. Alright, so it's 2:37 right now. Let's see. And I was about to order वहाँ से फुल्का, चपाती या bread or whatever, not bread but like pav maybe. And I was about to order it तब मुझे नीचे से phone आया कि ब्रेड आ गई है around 12:30. So I went downstairs, सब्जी गरम की and खाना खा लिया. And after that, I got the message from जो कि मैं part time कर रही हूँ कि they'll be posting. So basically what I do is, in short, I take interviews. Then I'm a content, like I create content for them, but this month I was not creating content. I was just I was just taking interview of interior designers and architects. अभी तक एक ही interview है because it takes time. जितने भी हैं, they have a huge following in lakhs, so it takes time back and forth होने में. So finally, Saurabh Jain के साथ I did the interview 2-3 days ago. इस month का पहला interview था. Been posted. Me and Saurabh Jain, the thumbnail sucks because obviously मैंने बनाया है. Look at the literal mess. So after that, we went outside, got vada pav, a juice, banana shake, जिसमें बनाना कम था, चीनी ज़्यादा थी, so मेरा पूरा टेस्ट होगा ख़राब हो गया. I didn't record बाहर का ज़्यादा because I was just so, I don't know, जब बाहर होती हूँ, I feel like if I'm like getting bored, I might record. But if I'm very very happy and I'm eating and I'm enjoying, I don't usually record because I'm lost in my own world. It's a good thing. But it's like raining. The rainy season has officially started here in Kolhapur. It's not gandi wali garmi anymore, so that's a nice thing. Yeah. Tell me why I'm doing my skincare in my kitchen. Well, the thing is, कुछ भी फ्लैट में अभी सेट नहीं हुआ है, meaning therefore I do not have like a proper setup. I actually don't have a proper setup like at all, even if flat पूरा setup होता. By the way, I'm just going back to the basics. Like my skincare is quite basic only, but like आज because I've not been taking care of my skin, so I just went with the salicylic acid because I feel like it's a great way to restart after there's been a gap. So yeah, I feel like I'll just sleep. I do want to edit this video, but we'll see.